Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Change is the law of life. It is inevitable. Like last year, a big change occurred in every individual's life. As usual, we thought of going for vacation last year, but plans got changed suddenly due to pandemic. Now we are eagerly waiting for everything to get back to normal so that we can visit our dear ones sooner. Apart from bringing good memories from every visit, we bring lot of stuff too. One such important thing we never miss is gunpowder. My in-laws or my mum used to prepare and give it to me, but this year I'm preparing it myself. So thought of sharing with you all the recipe too. Hope you all like it. Keep watching. To a heated pan, I added 6 to 7 dried red chilies. Later on, added half a cup of roasted Bengal gram. Next, I added a tablespoon of split chickpeas and a tablespoon of black lentils. After roasting them for a while, added 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. After roasting them well, added half a cup of coconut powder. After roasting them for a while, if you see the coconut powder is turning brown and sesame seeds are becoming sticky, empty the contents of a pan into a plate and let them cool down. Now in the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. To it, add a handful of curry leaves. To avoid the oil from splattering, I have washed and dried these curry leaves before adding them to the pan. Once they become dry and crispier, they are ready. When the mixture gets cooled down, transfer the contents into a grinder and grind them into a fine powder. Before grinding, don't forget to add salt. Here I added around 2 tablespoons of salt. When the powder is ready, transfer it into an airtight container and store them at room temperature. Sharing with you our way of using the gunpowder. After placing the dosa batter on a pan, I usually wait until the batter gets dried up. This technique was shown by my brother to me as it makes the dosa crispier. So when the batter gets dried up, I added a tablespoon of oil to it. Now it's time to add the gunpowder. You can sprinkle it over the oil. And it is known as podi dosa in restaurants. Once you see the bottom has been cooked well and dosa has dried up, don't flip it, just take it out from the pan in this way. Another interesting way of using this gunpowder I have seen in my in-laws' house is take around 2 tablespoons of gunpowder. With your finger, make a hole or circle in the center. To that hole you can add oil, or here I am adding the melted ghee. Add required amount of oil or ghee to the powder until it becomes like a chutney. Trust me, it's very delicious. Hope you all enjoyed my vlog today. If you do like it, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as it makes a difference for us. And see you in another vlog. Till then, stay safe, take care, and
Thanks for watching.